What's the meaning of assizes? Assizes. Assizes.
Assizes. Assizes. Assizes historically referred to periodic court sessions held in England and Wales for the trial of civil and criminal cases. The term is also used in some other common law jurisdictions. During the assizes, judges would travel to various towns and cities to hear cases and pass judgment. The result of an assize trial would be a verdict of guilty or not guilty, and if found guilty, a sentence would be imposed ranging from fines and imprisonment to corporal punishment or execution. The use of assizes as a judicial system declined in the 19th century with the move towards a more centralized court system.